Write the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 2, and 3, 6. All right, let's first take these points and find the slope. Our slope is m, and it's equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this corresponds with our points 1 and 2. It doesn't matter which point you pick, just keep them consistent. Let's say this here is our point 1, our x1, y1. And this is our point 2, 3, 6, our x2 and y2. So now we substitute into our equation here. y2 is a 6 minus y1, which is a 2, over x2, which is a 3, minus x1, which is a 1. And now we simplify. 6 minus 2 is a 4, and 3 minus 1 is a 2. And 4 over 2 simplifies to be a 2. So our slope is 2. Now there's a few ways you can go about this. Use a point-slope form or slope-intercept form. And we're actually going to do slope-intercept form this time. So I'm going to take my slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. I'm going to substitute 2 in for m, so y equals 2x plus b. But notice we're missing our b value. We need that. To find that, we pick either one of these points, substitute in for x and y values here, and then we can solve for our b value. I like to pick easy ones, and I feel like the first one's easiest, so I'm going to do that. So 1 goes in for x, 2, 1 plus b, and our y value was 2. And now we're simplifying this, or solving actually, for b. 2 times 1 is a 2, and subtract 2 to both sides, and we get a 0. And so our b value is equal to 0. So we have our slope and our y-intercept given to us, or we found it. So we have y equals mx plus b. Let's plug in the values we know. Y, well, keep it as is, equals m, our slope, which is 2x, plus b, which is 0. And we normally never write that plus 0. So we actually don't write that, and we just have y equals 2x. And so the equation of a line that passes through the points 1, 2, and 3, 6 is y equals 2x.